Oh, you're not?
Here we go. Hi, baby girl. Hi.
Jay, don't pull on your things.
She said I don't like it though.
Me either.
It's good for you though. Hi, beautiful. Hi. You gonna smile for everybody on Facebook?
No, they're boring.
Yep, they're losers. Tell them. Tell them, Steve Dave. You look beautiful when you wake up. Yeah. 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 Look at that. Is that Mom and Daddy? Oh. Big yawn. Nope. She's pulling on it again. I really don't like that thing. Oh, good girl. She fixed it.
I'm gonna go the other side.
She's like, I'm gonna chew on this. Baby girl. What's Daddy doing? Oh, big stretch. Look at her little feet. She says, oh, very dramatic pose. Are you hiding your face for the camera? Are you hiding your face?
Oh, no more.
Daddy's a jerk. Tell him. Big yawn. Ah, stretch. Do you see that? What is that? Is that a camera, phone, whatever? She said it's a shadow, that's for sure.
Mama doesn't even know what it is.
No.
I think we've done this.